Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, the scale just won't budge? You've tried every diet, every workout plan, and yet the weight just won't come off. You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with weight loss, feeling stuck, frustrated, and even hopeless. But what if I told you that real people, just like you, have overcome these exact struggles and achieved incredible weight loss success? Today, we're diving into inspiring weight loss success stories, breaking down exactly how they did it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll not only feel motivated, but also equipped with actionable strategies to start your own journey. Let's get started. The breaking point. What makes people start their weight loss journey? What was the moment that made them say, "Enough is enough"? Every weight loss journey begins with a breaking point. A moment of realization that something needs to change. For some, it's a health scare like high blood pressure or diabetes. For others, it's an emotional moment, like not being able to play with their kids or feeling uncomfortable in their own skin. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah was a busy mom of two who always put her family first. One day, she saw a family photo and didn't recognize herself. She realized she had been neglecting her health for years. That photo was her breaking point. But how did Sarah, and others like her, turn that moment of realization into action? Setting realistic goals. The first step to success. How do you set goals that actually work? One of the biggest mistakes people make is setting unrealistic goals. They want to lose pounds in a month or run a marathon without training. But success stories like Sarah's show us the importance of setting small, achievable goals. Sarah started by committing to walk 10 minutes a day. That's it. No extreme diets, no crazy workouts, just 10 minutes of walking. Over time, she increased it to 20 minutes, then 30. She also set a goal to replace one unhealthy snack with a piece of fruit each day. These small changes added up, and within a year, she had lost 50 pounds. But how do you stay consistent when life gets in the way? Building consistency. The power of habits. How do successful people stay consistent even when motivation fades? Consistency is the secret source of weight loss success. But let's be real, staying consistent is hard. Life gets busy, motivation fades, and old habits creep back in. Take Mark, for example. Mark struggled with emotional eating for years. He'd start strong, but always fell back into old patterns. What changed for him? He focused on building habits, not relying on motivation. He started by meal prepping every Sunday, so he always had healthy options ready. He also created a nightly routine of journaling to process his emotions instead of turning to food. Over time, these habits became second nature, and he lost 80 pounds. But what about the role of mindset in all of this? The mindset shift. Overcoming mental barriers. How do you change your mindset to support your weight loss goals? Weight loss isn't just about physical changes. It's a mental game too. Many people struggle with self-doubt, fear of failure, or even fear of success. Emily's story is a perfect example. She had tried and failed so many times that she didn't believe she could succeed. But she decided to work on her mindset first. She started practicing daily affirmations like, "I am capable of change," and surrounded herself with positive influences. She also learned to view setbacks as learning opportunities, not failures. This shift in mindset helped her lose 60 pounds and keep it off for good. But how do you handle the inevitable challenges and plateaus? Overcoming plateaus and challenges. What do you do when progress slows down or stops? Plateaus are a normal part of any weight loss journey, but they can be incredibly frustrating. The key is to stay patient and keep pushing forward. John hit a plateau after losing 40 pounds. He was stuck for months, but instead of giving up, he decided to mix things up. He tried new workouts, adjusted his calorie intake, and even started tracking his macros. Slowly but surely, the scale started moving again. He learned that plateaus aren't the end. They're just a sign that your body is adapting, and it's time to switch things up. So, what's the final piece of the puzzle for long-term success? Celebrating wins and maintaining progress. How do successful people maintain their weight loss for good? The journey doesn't end when you hit your goal weight. Maintaining your progress is just as important as losing the weight in the first place. Lisa, who lost 70 pounds, made maintenance a priority. She continued tracking her food, stayed active, and celebrated her wins along the way. She also allowed herself occasional treats, so she never felt deprived. By focusing on balance and sustainability, she's kept the weight off for over 5 years. These stories prove that weight loss is possible, no matter where you're starting from. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. So, what's your breaking point? What small step can you take today to start your journey? Remember, every success story started with a single decision. Yours can too. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs inspiration and let me know in the comments. What's one goal you're committing to today? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.